Let's have a look at few more of the PBIX files which would help us understand couple of things. One is the way in which the visualization have been placed and how can they be moved into a dashboard. So the key aspect over here is what visuals are best fit for dashboards. That file load, and it's loading. Yes, there it is. The first page by default would be the Obvious page. It has been provided to us by Obvious. Let's see what about these. This is more like a spend analysis sheet wherein we are trying to identify how the spends have been like. So plan percentage. So these are the different kinds of spends we've planned it. We've tried to increase it in Europe and USA, but try to reduce it based on the data available. In IT area, what is actual versus plan? So this was a budgeted, and again, the idea is we need to see the blue bars always be shorter or equal to the black bars. In terms of infrastructure, it has been different. So a key aspect over here is identify why this has been an increase. How is the plan percentage by month? So we plan to increase the spend towards the end of the year and beginning very humbly in the January. This is the kind of spend we've planned. What are the places we are trying to spend? So if you consider this in an IT spend, we are trying to spend these, and for miscellaneous ones we are not in green. That means probably we have spent a little bit more than what was planned, and that is 14.39 and 14.54. For rest of the things, the plan is always higher than the actual. That means it is within limits. So that's how the statuses are planned. If we have a look at the status elements, let's have a look at it. What have they kept? 1, 2, 3 and actuals. So this is the department. It's already there. And VP. Okay. This is the level. This is the status. So this is a fact table. If you try to look at the fact table, it will tell you how have they derived upon this actual versus plan. If you click on it, this is actual versus plan status, right? Is there anything else? No. Is there anything else? No. Is there anything else? No. So if you click on this is how the actuals are being calculated. Great. This is some different thing which we are learning. Let's have a look at it. Relationship. Let me expand it further. So today the primary focus of us is on different kinds and ways the dashboards have been built. So you would see a central table which has more like everything what a person needs is a fact table, and it's more like an aggregation or a central repository of data flowing from different tables. So you would see date flowing in from date dimension, cost elements coming from cost dimension, country and IT area coming from its own masters, department and VP coming as a master, business area is coming as a master, scenario coming as a master. So it's more like an individual areas, and these fact tables are more kind of a transaction tables which makes use of all the data around it to make sense on the transactions. Then amount by month scenario. So LE1, LE2, LE3 are different plans, and this is the actuals. So as per the plan, how have they fed? How have the cost elements moved? What is the variance like? Is it reduced or increased? So infrastructure has increased, rest all has reduced. Plan variance analysis means budgeted versus actuals. You can have the analysis such as this, wherein you have a bar chart with negative values. That means you are doing well in terms of cost, whereas the positive values shows that you are high on your infrastructure spend from May till October. So you can highlight this. Then you can have this data as per the countries, as in how have you spent across the countries. So there is minuscule spend in Central Europe, whereas on the key countries it's a significant higher spend, whereas France, Brazil, Italy, the spends have reduced. This is how things are. You can also check by area. So this is a different kind of visualization which you can make use of. So these are the filters. Remember, they cannot be placed on the dashboards. Let's publish this as well, and then we'll see what data can be moved. Let it load. These things can continue as they are. Let's move on.